What's in the night sky this week? So this week I've got a really cool looking target for you. It's the California Nebula, which can be found in the constellation Perseus. And it's fairly straightforward to capture this one with a decent astrophotography setup. This nebula is rich in hydrogen alpha and has such a striking look that it's absolutely worth taking an image of. The nebula is about 60 light years across and 1500 light years away from Earth, meaning you'd be seeing it as it appeared 1500 years ago. Now, it's important to note that the California Nebula is actually a really big target, so if you were to use a large telescope, then it's likely that you'll cut off part of it in your image. I therefore recommend that you use a smaller telescope with a wide field of view to be able to capture the entire nebula, as well as perhaps some of the surrounding area of space. Depending on how you like your images to look, a telescope around 500mm focal length should do the trick. The alternative would be to use a large telescope. For example, my one is 1000mm in focal length, and then image different parts of the nebula. You'd then need to stitch these together to form one final photo of the entire nebula, which would actually allow you to probably get a more detailed final photo compared to using a smaller telescope, but it would be quite a lot more work. To get the most out of your image, you'll want to use a camera that has a higher sensitivity to hydrogen alpha, which pretty much makes up all of this target. So for me, I'd use my Optolong L Extreme filter, which is a narrowband filter that cuts out most of the visible light spectrum, but allows HA to come through, which boosts the contrast and color in your photo. Using a standard camera without filters will still get you a decent photo with enough exposure time, but a dedicated astronomy camera with a narrowband filter can drastically improve the end product. Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on what's in the night sky and tips for imaging these targets.